Everyone in aviation has a dream of where they want to end up. And for me, this is it. A private grass strip with a hangar in my backyard where I can keep my airplane. I got invited to EAA Chapter 419's End of Summer Fly-In here at this beautiful grass strip just outside of Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Just getting to be here made me want to have this that much more. I'll be the first to admit, aircraft ownership is a lot more challenging than I ever imagined. But days like today make it all worth it. It feels like I'm putting the whole dream together. Property, airplane, living the lifestyle. Got that, buddy? We started our day off with a quick airplane wash, cleaning all the bugs off, and getting the windows good and ready to go. It was actually a lot of fun for me and the kids. Good job cleaning up, guys. Ready to go?
Yep.
Three one, clear for takeoff, runway heading 12994.
Here we go. Oh, yay.
Limit downwind runway 2300 field.
That just sounded like wah, 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 on the ground. Wah, 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 wah. Sleds and then
Sledding, flying trips, that could be a new thing.
parachute out of the plane with our sleds. Woo!
How you doing back there, Taco?
Hi, Diamond.
Okay. So McDonald Field is 2,300 feet, which didn't make me nervous at all. I feel pretty confident landing on a short field. Admittedly, I haven't practiced that since my BFR a year ago, but I still felt comfortable enough in my abilities to comfortably land on this field. I wasn't worried about soft field conditions because it hasn't rained in Tennessee in like 2 months. What was amusing though is I hit the pilot isolate button just to not hear the kids on approach so that I could concentrate on what I was doing. And I didn't get to hear their recording until I started working on this. And some of the things they said, they had far less confidence in my abilities than I did. Ooh, it looks short.
We're not gonna make it.
And airplane for McDonald downwind. I'm just to your south. If you look out your right window, you should see me about the same altitude.
And why am I hearing McDonald?
Yeah, I got you in sight.
Roger that. I'm gonna follow you in.
It sounds like you said McDonald's.
Because the airport's called McDonald Field.
Old McDonald.
This is going to be crazy.
Oh, that pool water.
I need to slow down.
I just looked at the pool water and it's green. It's very nice then. Is that a school? Here we go. Oh god. I think I'm gonna be sick. If we don't make it, bye daddy. What about me? You too, with it. But mostly daddy, he's gonna. Oh, you're so rude. What? Nothing. Ah! See? Oh, we made it. We made it. Okay. My least favorite part. Oh, man. Whee! We're bouncing.
Woo! Well, that was entertaining. very humbling to even have the opportunity to be invited to an event like this. To the owner of this field and house and immaculate hangar, I can't say thank you enough for even having the opportunity to just have a taste of this. For me, fields and events like this are the definition of general aviation. The freedom to go out in your backyard and fly anywhere is amazing.
Alright, short field takeoff procedure. Lights are coming on. And McDonald traffic 12994 departing 27. Have some fun with this.
Okay, here you go.
Airspeed's alive.
As much fun as that was, we decided to make one more pass.
Woo! That was pretty cool, huh?
You wouldn't expect it to be high 90s and bumpy in early October, but it was a pretty hot day, so we decided rather than going out and playing some more, we'd just head straight back to B&A. This is definitely an experience worth sharing, and I'm certainly hoping to do a lot more soft field landings and exploring private fields throughout Tennessee and the Mid-South. As always, thank you for watching and for your continued support of this channel. Leave a comment down below. Tell me where we should fly to next. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys on the next one.